Well, greetings from the beautiful city of Marseille, where we're guests of the Marseille Tourist Office. We've just had an advisory council and board meeting here, and I'm obviously joined by our president, Adele, and we've both been thoroughly enjoying ourselves, I think is the right way of putting it. I think we're just taking this opportunity to look back at 2025 and look forward to 26. But Adele, you've just come back from America, haven't you? What's the general feeling there?
Thanks, Tom. Yeah, it's great to be in France. It's lovely being here in Marseille, and yeah, as you say, I've been in America recently. I think to use a phrase we've been using over the last few days, there's generally cautious optimism for 2026. I think that's fair to say. A lot of people seeing some last minute bookings coming through, which is a bit more unusual for some of our members and their markets. But generally speaking, I think we're looking ahead to a bright 2026. We're sitting here in the beautiful morning dawn sunlight, so it's very appropriate, I think. Um, Also, would like to thank all the members for all their efforts and engagement with us in 2025. We've got some exciting things coming up in 2026. So, Tom, I don't know if you want to say a little bit more about some of those.
Oh yes, indeed. I think the thing to look forward to really is that in 26 we've got 5 new events, which I'm sure you've heard about, but they're all available on our website. We've got a whole series of showcases focusing on origin markets, and we have a brand new event concentrating on the shoulder and off-peak seasonal nature of tourism, which we're very much looking forward to. We're also looking forward to the fact that GEM is going to be on the Monday before World Travel Market, and we're just closing and finalising the details on that. So there'll be plenty of news on that in future. But I mean, the thing to remember is that ETOA is not just here to create commercial networks, but it's here to fight for a better regulatory environment. And I think 2026 is going to see some very important measures coming out of the Commission, particularly on the subject of VAT, which we are always interested in. And there's going to be quite a vigorous discussion on the nature of tourism taxes in cities. And these are the two things, some of the things that are at the forefront of our minds. Um, I think it's fitting really just to close 2025 by wishing everyone a very happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. I think we would both agree to that.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.